In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money quickly online. And by quick, it's going to be big money in one day. It won't be small amounts of $5, $10, or even $20 a day online. On the computer you'll see a step-by-step of what you need to do to get it. I'm assuming you don't have time to learn a new skill, and I'm assuming you need something big because you're not looking for quick steady money. What I'll be showing you is a method where you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day really quick. You can do it right now to put an extra couple $1,000s in your bank accounts. It's called ClickBank, which will pay up to 90% of commissions on products sold. It's an affiliate network, but it's very aggressive, and they paid over $3 billion to internet people. On ClickBank you can find my program, John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. Look for the highest value per sale. That's a very easy, quick way to make big money, and not a lot of people are talking about this. You don't want to be emailing everybody a million times a day. You don't want to be putting up a million Facebook posts about this. Do not overcomplicate this. When you're using your social networks, what you're doing is you're selling to friends and family. This is an asset you have which you can use to make a lot of money. And here's a free training that taught me how to make money online. Now, when people click the affiliate link, and if they go to the training, buy the product, you can earn your $450. You'll be able to get that money through wire transfer, through check, whatever. So, you do this on every social network you have. If you're looking for big money, this is how you do it, and I know this sounds a little crazy and I know it might feel a little bit awkward. Hopefully this helped you. I'd like to see if anybody applied this. So, click the link below, and let's get started.